How to install MIUI 10 Global Stable 10.3.5.0 on your Xiaomi Poco F1. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchy here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Xiaomi Poco F1 to the latest global stable, which is MIUI 10.3.5.0. If we go into settings, about phone, as you can see right now I am running MIUI 10 global stable version 10.3.4.0. Security patch is from 2019-0301, which is 1st of March 2019, and it is based on Android 9.0 Pie. Next up, let's go into gallery and check for two pictures which I just took, my chicken friend and the dark side in the building. So this is just to show you peeps that once you update to MIUI 10.3.5.0, you will not lose your data. What are the things which we need? I have linked two zip files in the description of this video. The first one is linked as MIUI 10.3.5.0 full ROM, which is around 1.89 GB, and the next one is the OTA from 10.3.4.0 to 10.3.5.0, which is around 405.05 MB. So if you are currently on MIUI 10.3.4.0, then you will download the OTA file. If you are on any other version of MIUI 10, or if you are running a beta build, then you will have to download the full ROM zip file. Do note, going from a beta build to a stable build will result in erase of data. If you are on a custom ROM and you want to update to MIUI 10.3.5.0 using TWRP recovery, then again you have to flash the full ROM zip file, which is linked in the description of this video. Once you have downloaded an appropriate zip file, go into settings, make sure you're connected to the internet, go into about phone, click on system update, and right now I've turned off my automatic updates because I want to show you peeps how to install MIUI 10 Global Stable 10.3.5.0. so I will select no over here. If you get a notification to download the OTA, you can always click on download update. In my case, I will use the manual method. So first of all, we'll click on this 10 7 times. Now we got a message, automatic update features are on. Then we will click on the three dot menu on the top right and click on choose update package. Scroll down, here are the two zip files which I have linked in the description of this video. If you are on beta or anything other than 10.3.4.0, you will have to use the full ROM zip file. If you are on 10.3.4.0, then you can use the OTA zip file. I have explained this earlier in the video also, and I am explaining it again just to make sure that it is clear. For the purpose of this video, I will be using the full ROM zip file. So we will click over here and make sure the option is checked. Next, we will click on the OK button, and now as you can see, it is retrieving some information and then it will verify the integrity of the zip file, which is where we need to make sure that we are connected to the internet. And there it is. Now it is telling me that my device will update to 10.3.5.0 and I have the option of reboot and update. Now in case the update process will do a factory reset on your device, it will tell you the same over here, that updating to this version of MIUI will result in a factory reset, and it will ask you to confirm erase and update instead of reboot and update. In my case, I will just click on reboot and update and wait for the phone to reboot after the decryption process has finished successfully. And there it is, a phone just rebooted, and on the next screen it should tell us that it is updating MIUI. The process will take some time, so you have to be patient. There it is now installing or updating MIUI 10.3.5.0 on our Poco F1, and it is also telling us to not turn off our phone during this process. To note, it might appear that the process hangs at a specific time, but that is not the case. And there it is, our phone is now rebooting, which means we have successfully installed MIUI 10.3.5.0 Global Stable on a Xiaomi Poco F1. Back into Android, let's unlock our phone. There it is. You can see we still have the same wallpaper, and let's go into gallery, check for the pictures, chicken friend in the building, dark side, which means our data was not wiped. And now if we go into settings, about phone, you can clearly see our version changed to 10.3.5.0 global stable, security patches from May 2019 and based on Android 9.0 Pie. That will do it for this video, peeps. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.